Hello, let me show you all touch controls that you can use on your Sony WH-1000XM5. And you can use touch controls on the right headset, because this is the touch sensor located right here. And first of all, we got play and a pause. So when we quickly double tap like that, we will pause the music. When we double tap again, we will start playing. When you swipe like this into the right side, you can turn a next song. If you are gonna swipe to the left side, you will turn previous song. You can also swipe and hold, and you should actually get fast, you can just simply fast forward, but it's not working in my case. Also, there is fast reverse, but it's also not working for some reason in my case. You can tell me in the comments if it actually works in your case, but in my case, it's not working for some reason. You can also volume up by swiping up, but you can also swipe and hold, and take a look. It works. You can also do the same to swipe down to decrease volume level. Just like this. We can click and hold. And that's how it looks. And also we can pick up and end phone calls. So if you want to pick up an incoming phone call, you will have to quickly double tap like you want to pause music. If you want to end call, also double tap like you want, for example, keep playing your music. And this is the all touch sensors gestures, but also there's one when you enable speak to chat, you can cover this right touch sensor and you will enable the ambient sound and voice pass through. And this is it for this video. Thanks for watching.